Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you very much for being here. Please subscribe to the channel. 90% of the people who watch videos on this channel, they are not subscribers. Please consider subscribing, and you help me a lot. So to solve this problem here, guys, I'm gonna write this one here as 2 to the x to the power of 2, and then I'm gonna consider this as a quadratic equation, right? So I'm gonna say then that a is equal to 1 here, b is this one, and c is this one here. And then we're just going to apply the quadratic formula. So 2 to the x, so because we're solving in terms of 2 to the x, is our variable here. And then we have this one. And then after some simplifications here, just taking the power of 2 here, we're going to then have this one. And then x, this is going to be x squared plus 2x and then plus 1, because 49 minus 48 here. So from here we get then this one, and we know that this is a perfect square. So and then from here we're gonna have this one here, right? So and then plus or minus this one here, so this means that we're gonna have this one plus or minus this, and then from here we're gonna have this one. Either we're going to have 2 to the x equals 7 minus x plus 1 over 2, or we're going to consider the negative sign here, which is this one here. So from here we're going to have that this is 2 to the x here is going to be x. We're going to cancel this 2x here. We're going to have 8 over 2, and then here we're going to have 6 minus 2x. And then from here we have 2 to the x over 2. I should write here 4, but I just kept it. I don't know why. And then we're going to have then that this is 2 to the x equals to 4. And then this 2 to the x equals 3 minus x here. And then 2 to the x is equal to 4. We're solving the first one. This means that this is 2 to the 2 to the x equals 2 to the 2. And then x1 is equal to 2. And then we're going to solve the second one here, which is we're going to apply a different property here. You see that this is 2 to the x equals 3 minus x. If you plug 1 here, 2 to the 1 equals 3 minus 1, this is going to be 2 equals 2. So x equals to 1 is the solution for this problem. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to solve this applying the Lambert function, right? Lambert function says that w of a times e to the a is equal to a. So we have to transform this in order to get to something equal to this or similar to this in one or both sides of this equation. So now let's transform this. I'm just going to write this this way, and then I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to the x, and then I'm going to get this one, right? And then from here I'm going to multiply both sides to the power of both sides by 2 to the power of 3, because I have 3 here and I want to have this 3 in the power. Remember that we are working on this one to be equal to this one here, right? So from here then we have that this is equal to this, okay? And 2 to the 3 is equal to 2 times 2 to the 2, right? And then let's have a look here. E to the ln of 2 to the power of 3 minus 3 is the same thing as writing this, right? According to ln properties, right? So we're going to apply ln here and ln here, so they're going to be the same thing, right? Now we can bring this one here multiplying this ln, and we can bring this one here multiply this ln. So we're going to have this one here, right? But we see that here we have 3 minus x and 3 minus x. This is multiplying ln of 2, and we have here ln of 2, right? This is the only term missing for this to be equal to what we're looking for. We need to multiply both sides of this equation by ln of 2, right? So multiplying this equation by ln of 2, we're gonna have then this is gonna be this. Now you can see that this one here is equal to this one here, and this one here is equal to this one here. Now we can apply the Lambert function, and from here we're gonna have this one applying the Lambert function. So on the left side we're going to have 3x minus ln of 2, and from the right side we're going to have 2 ln of 2. Simplifying both sides by ln of 2, we're going to have 3 minus x equals 2, and then from here we have x2 equals to 1. So guys, this is the second solution, and remember that the first solution was 2. Now let's check to see if we are correct or not. And before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment, please. Just subscribe and help me. Let's make this channel a great math community here on YouTube. So for x equals 2, which is our value of x1, replacing, we're going to have this one here, right? So we're going to have 16 minus 5 times 4 plus 12 minus 8, and then we're going to have this one. Just let's say that 16 minus 20, this is negative 12, right? Sorry. This is negative 4, and negative 4 plus 12, it's 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So this is 0. 0 equals to 0. And then from the other one here, x2 equals to 1, replacing, we're going to have this one, multiplying, we're going to have this one, and just have a look at this. 4 minus 4 is 0, 12 minus 12 is 0. So 0 equals to 0. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Drop a comment and see you next video. Bye bye.